Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about circuit level firewall. This class is a continuation of types of firewall where in the previous session we have discussed about packet filter firewall. Now let's discuss about circuit level firewall. Circuit level firewall is otherwise called as circuit level gateway firewalls which works at the session layer of the open system interconnections. As we all know, there are seven different layers in open system interconnections, and the circuit level gateway firewalls exclusively works on session layer. You can see from the diagram, it mainly concentrates on the sharing of information between one packet to the other packet. Circuit level firewall monitors transmission control protocol handshaking between the packets to determine if a requested session is legitimate. As we all know, every firewall will have a default code given whether to access or deny, and it knows what is legal and illegal. Based on that predefined or already a default instruction given to the firewall, the legitimacy of the session is checked and the transaction will let it happen. Information passed through a circuit level gateway to the internet appears to have come from the circuit level gateway. In this kind of a firewall, we might be having different individual systems working or connected in a network. When all of them are passing an information, those information it reaches the firewall, which we call it as a circuit gateway. From there, in new IP, the information will be passed on to the receiver side. By doing so, the receiver will not get to understand or get to know the individual system's IP addresses, which are being the part of the complete network. Circuit level gateway technique is also called as network address translation, where the private IP addresses originating from the different clients inside the network are all mapped to a public IP address. Let's see advantages and disadvantages of the firewall. Advantages are comparatively inexpensive and it provides anonymity to the private network. And the disadvantages, it do not filters the individual packets which are part of the transaction. Thank you.